Morning, YouTube. I thought I'd share with you the revisions to the battery charger. It's been in service, I don't know, 5-6 years now. Not continuously, but it's got several hundred hours on it. I think that's the original engine. But the bracket finally broke. It's actually broke more than once. The adjustment tang broke off. This had to be reinforced at one time or another. But the biggest problem was that plate is just too thin. And maybe even too long. So now, because when I went snooping around in the shop, I found I had another plate, or two in fact, so I just doubled up on them. You notice the spacers have to be in there so that it doesn't interfere with the fuel tank. And instead of it being horizontal, it's vertical now. And I took it off the original chassis, which was that thing. That worked out real good, because when it was first built, I thought I'd have to move it around. Well, I wanted it so I could move it around the yard and stuff. But in the end, it was just too much clutter. It took up too much room under the bench. And it's not hard to throw this in a wheelbarrow and boot it across the yard. But as it is now, most of what it does is just charge up the battery bank for the solar system. And that's not very often, but it does happen. So I got to put this is the Venturi setup for the propane, which isn't on right now, but it's dual fuel. And I like it when it runs on propane, but if you're using it to charge batteries, well, let's put it this way. What I like about running it on gas is I just put a liter or two of gas in it and go about my business, or even go away, and it runs out of gas, and that's nothing to worry about. But if it's on propane, it can last, more than 24 hours on a 20-pound bottle of propane. So you gotta find your way home to shut it off. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. But this being vertical and in this case sure makes it a lot handier for storage. And yes, I know there's no guard on it, but there's only me here, so I'm not worried about it. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.